Wow, fuck! Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Fuck! Okay, so, you will marry your crush, but you have short-term memory loss and forget who they are the next day. Well, at least at least I have one day with my crush, and if she loves me enough, when I don't remember her, this beautiful woman will stay with me. So, I really don't see a downside. But minority 63, press the button. Have your crush marry you, but French kiss your dad? Nope. That is one thing I'm dead against. Majority 288. You find a cure for cancer, but the one closest to you dies. No. You can kiss anybody in the world, but you have to kill yourself afterwards. Okay, so then you have to be 110% sure that you want to kiss someone, because afterwards you're dead. No. 671 didn't press. You are a billionaire. Like, you are a billionaire, but you are forced to date Donald Trump. No way. That's a risk too high. Vast majority 2,303 didn't press. Have sex with your love, but you will never see them again. I will. I'll explain. Just contrary to what most guys think, sex isn't the most important part in a relationship. So, or it could be that sex is the end game, and she might be pregnant and you don't have to worry now. You can make any of your favorite fictional characters. I already answered this. You can speak every language, but the only way you can talk is through screaming! That would be funny. Minority 197. Stop Hitler from killing 6 million Jews. But instead, Hitler kills 6 million Muslims. Wow. 6 of one, half dozen of the other, really. The Jews would be happy if they get to live, but the Muslims get the short end of the stick. And contrary to what you think, near a very small percentage of Muslims have the capacity to become terrorists. My dog is barking. You can date whoever you want, but 1 week later you will be kidnapped by them. My dogs are barking and distracting me. Donald Trump won't be president, but Hillary Clinton will. The thing about Hillary is she is, from my limited understanding of American politics, she is very corrupt, and Donald Trump is more extroverted with his corruptedness. Is that a word? It is now. Yeah. But really I don't have a say here. So, fine. You are irresistible to the opposite sex, but you're gay. No. Really, what's the point? You get... Is that 1 trillion? You get $1 trillion, but have to give some money to your parents. While, of course, I would. I mean, I wouldn't even know what to do with all that money. So, of course, $5.70 press. Far powerful rainbows that can lift off the ground, but you have to listen to Donald Trump do a speech when you fly. Well, sure, I like a laugh. Sure, I like a laugh. 142 press minority. You can talk to animals, but all the animals hate you. I mean, I could talk to them and take the information back to human scientists. You know when and how you'll die, but your favorite singer dies. No. I don't wanna know when and how I die. You can kill Hitler before he's born, but you become the next Hitler. No. Too much responsibility. You become very famous and rich, but you have an arranged marriage. Marriage is what brings us together today. Ten Sean awesome points to whoever gets that reference. Hint is from a movie. Sure, I mean, arranged marriages, a lot of them do last. So, yeah. You have a magic pencil that gets every math problem right, but whenever you use it, you fart. No. I'd love to fart whenever I use my magic pencil, but I don't need the answer to math problems. I'm pretty good at math. You can have sex with anyone you choose for life, but they will end up killing your family. No, I will not. 1063 didn't press. Okay, one more. You're allowed to choose who gets to be president, prime minister of your country, but you never get to vote for anything ever again. No. First of all, that's only for 4 years in the Americans' case. And for our case, I don't know, probably like 2 or 3 months. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. Today is the last day of my spring schedule. Tomorrow will be my summer schedule, and maybe I'll go skydiving again. I want to. That was amazing last year, but I'll see. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. Hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.